Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you AllTrails app how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to use it, first what you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in AllTrails, and once it loads all you gotta do is simply tap on the app and then tap on the download button right here, or get button, or install button. Now once you have installed the app, what you need to do is simply open up the app. Now once you open up the app, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, here you'll be seeing something like this on your home screen, and here you can see there are a bunch of trails that is already given to you. Either you can select one of these options, or you can also tap on the search bar right here and then enter in the location where you want to hike or trek. You can also go back and then tap on this epic views option or among trees, and according to that option you'll be given the trail options to hike. Simply tap on this and then you can also download the map by simply tapping on download, and you can also see the trails on the map by simply tapping on the map option right here, and then the trail will be shown on the map right here, and you can just simply tap on start to start your trail, or you can also tap on navigate to keep on track of the hike that you are currently on. You can tap on saved to create your custom map as well by simply tapping on my map and then tapping on the three-dot icon on the top and then tapping on create map and then following the on-screen instructions to successfully create a map. You can also tap on profiles on your profile icon, and here you can also add your photos and your reviews as well and your activity log as well. So that's basically how to use it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.